Ron DeSantis sent his legal team to court this week to beg the judge to delay the trial in the lawsuit that Disney has filed against Ron DeSantis for political retaliation. But DeSantis isn't just wanting this thing kicked down the road for another 6 months. He's not even wanting it to be postponed till the end of the Republican primaries. Nope. Ron DeSantis, via his legal team, has now asked the court to postpone Disney's trial against them till after the 2024 election. Now, that's a weird request, right? Like, you don't need that much time. You could have done it at the end of this year. Hell, you could honestly do it right now. You're ready to go. But why, Ron? Why would you not want the public to see this lawsuit until after that presidential election? Everybody knows why. Everybody, 100% of people watching this, I don't care if you're on the left or the right, you know why Ron DeSantis doesn't want that lawsuit to move forward until after the 2024 election. It's because it's going to reveal some very embarrassing stuff about Ron DeSantis and, of course, his Republican allies in the Florida legislature. Because as part of the discovery process, assuming the lawsuit is, given the green light to move forward, they're going to get emails, they're going to get text messages, they're going to get all kinds of communications from these Republicans running this state of Florida into the ground. And they're going to show in court that this was political retaliation. This wasn't just business as usual, but Ron DeSantis told the legislature, you got to do this. We got to take away Disney's special district down there. And if they can do that, they not only win their lawsuit, but then, of course, we're going to be witnessing massive corruption investigations in the state of Florida that will threaten to take down that Republican regime running the state. But if Ron DeSantis can push all of that, till after the 2024 election, then he may not have to face the music at all, right? Because that guy still thinks that he is going to be the next president of the United States. So if the trial gets pushed till after the 2024 election, Ron DeSantis, in his mind, is now the sitting president of the United States, and suddenly he pulls the same crap that Donald Trump pulled, saying, hey, look, I'm president, you can't sue me right now. So Disney, your lawsuit has to wait at least another 4 years, possibly another 8 years, God forbid. But that's the plan here, because DeSantis is so damn arrogant that he genuinely thinks that he is going to be the next president of the United States. I know that the polls tell us he is not going anywhere near the White House unless he joins a tour group, but DeSantis, I guess, is just an optimist. But more importantly, he doesn't want the entire country to see the shenanigans that he and his Republican allies in Tallahassee, he doesn't want people to see what they did to specifically target Disney, because there is no doubt that what they did to Disney was political retaliation. You can look at the timeline and figure that out. Disney criticizes him, he goes after them, then he strips them of their special district. Kind of obvious, right? I don't think anybody looking at this, again, on the left or right, would say, no, he wasn't political retaliation. Everybody knows it was. It's just that you got half the country that thinks it's a cool thing he did it, and the other half that thinks it's a blatant abuse of power.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and well, here comes the awkward part at the end of the video, where I ask you to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for more content from Ring of Fire. Also, you should consider becoming a member for some exclusive content and perks, including early access videos and exclusive videos. Check out the link in the description.